The argument between you and Cecil, what was the topic?
So I don't know what the topic was. We came here to help the locals. They were there. So then, like always, I don't have to even tell you all. There's always instigating. So we come peacefully to do our job. Our job is to help the people. Now, so they were there. Okay, they were there. There was some altercation or some argument that happened. But my point is, when work has to be done, we are the ones only have to do the work, no? What is the point in coming in, creating a big scene and causing a big hangama? They are not doing anything on the ground. Now we are here, my Sarpanch is here, secretary is there, Punch members here. Now we are here from morning 8 o'clock. Where is everybody? So my point is work has to get done, no? What is the point coming and making a noise and not being able to help anybody in the village? So you come, create a confusion and you go, just for social media. Just to put up bites, okay, we did this, but what did you all do? Nothing. They said they were there from 6 o'clock, but what did you do from 6 o'clock? So we came and moved everybody, whoever we felt was unsafe, we moved them. So that is the job you have to do, no?
Only you are coming after the Gram Sabha. You never come in the Panchayat anytime.
Really? Have you read my emails? Do I get driven?
You don't tell me about emails.
So that means you're not following
emails and you're sitting at one place and telling
I am
us
a working
take action.
person. I am a working
We are not
person.
working. We are sitting there only in
So-
Panchayat then.
Arey, wow, you get paid to do
So
take
you have
action.
to just put one mail and you have to sit there.
Do you know how? You don't know how emails work? Do you know how in this digital? Wow. So tell me, you are not going to follow up emails? Okay. With all the destruction, publicity I want, disasters happening, fields are getting burnt, people are getting damaged. What are you talking here?
He's not talking
What
like
are
a
you
secretary.
talking?
He's talking like a
You're
politician.
talking.
I'm not talking
You are a
about what
secretary.
she said, no lie.
What
See,
I
once I
said.
send an email, it's your responsibility to take action. Whether I come or don't come, you are informed. See, now
I
you
have
have.
to come. Even I'm getting an
When we are calling,
acknowledgement.
when we calling in the Panchayat,
You have not
she
called.
never touched up.
What?
No, tell
When have I not come?
now you are saying you have
Gaurish,
got your
don't
land
lie,
free.
please.
But license has been given by the Panchayat. They are
Maria,
not
this
following
is-
the guidelines
Maria,
given in the
emails are
Panchayat.
not being
Are you ready to
Permission
give
for
up
the
the
hill
license?
cutting.
Maria,
Hill cutting sorry, but you want to
complaints
disaster
are
to
not being
happen.
acknowledged.
You know now what
Not
is happening.
One
No?
reply I get. I don't have to come.
No, not
I need a
necessary.
reply.
Maria, not necessary.
I need a no,
So,
no,
which
no.
rule are?
Which
Which
is the
rule are?
rule?
Where is the rule
Where
that I
is
have
the
to
rule?
come to the Panchayat?
And email
Yes, of course.
Arey, you come and talk.
You don't know how the
is
email
that?
works.
Wait.
Do you know how the email?
No,
You know,
listen,
Taligaon is the only panchayat that doesn't work.
शेतान पासून उजो पेटता तेन्ना तुका गोमता थिंगा येवंक जाय म्हणून.
You have not read my complaints. You have not read my complaints, Maria. You have not. No, Maria, you have not read my complaints. You have not acknowledged my complaint. I have come personally also. You know, you have not. Maria, clear you. This is why I have to do. You're the elected representative. Where were you yesterday, Maria? Where were you yesterday?
Yeah, my house is also collapsed. I was doing my work.
So then did you?
Other ward also was there. We were following madam here.
So then someone should be here, no? Where was Janu? Janu's house also.
Janu is not made exam.
How he was here then?
He just recalled him.
Then
He is having a high fever. He can't just give a bite.
you all should send someone, 3 o'clock in the afternoon this has happened. Then 5:30 no one came, so they called me here, Rekha, you're my ex-husband.
हांव उबे रावन व्हिडिओ कडे येवपाचें.
आम्ही काम करपाचे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी न्हू.
I have complained to the deputy collector.
आम्ही काम करपाचे पळय. आम्ही काम करपाचे.
लोकांक हेल्प करता
आगो सगळे रिसोर्सेस तुमकडे आहा मुगो आणि काम आम्ही करपाचे. या यू हॅव द रिसोर्सेस, यू हॅव द मनी आणि काम आम्ही करा म्हणटा तुम्ही.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.